Hi, you might have noticed that some FSL and ASL signs are the same. It's because FSL or Filipino Sign Language came from ASL or American Sign Language. It's not surprising because we were colonized by the Americans for 48 years. Even if the Spaniards were here for longer, they didn't really interact and befriend us. But because we have our own culture, there are signs that are different from ASL. In the country, there are also signs that are different in the provinces. For example, pig. This is the sign for FSL and ASL for pig. But it is also pig in FSL and this and this. Korean Sign Language is similar to Japanese Sign Language. It's because they were under the Japanese rule for 35 years. In fact, Korean Sign Language, Taiwanese Sign Language, and Japanese Sign Language have 60 to 70% understandability. Amazing, right? Deaf Koreans, Taiwanese, and Japanese can easily understand and communicate, while the speaking cannot. Sign language is based on culture. For example, in Korea, they bow when they greet. So the sign for 안녕하세요 is 안녕하세요. I hope you enjoyed our video today. Please like, subscribe, and share. Also, put in the comments if you have questions or suggestions. See you next video.